Hello everybody, welcome to Star Side News, and today we're playing some more Cluster Truck with my fucked up hair. Oh god. I was gonna play some Lich Spear, but the game's gotten kinda hard. I'm not wimping out on it. I'll get back to it, just not today. The game's stressful as fuck, and this is loud as just fucking hold on. Alright. So, I finally made it past that one impossible level. It's been a while since I played, so bear with me. As I said. Do I have double jump? I think I have double jump. I have fucking no skills at this game anymore. That's what I fucking have. Fuck! Oh, fuck, I don't know what to do there. Everything was going really well. Well, until it didn't. Until it didn't. Yeah. Fucking hell. I am really bad at this game. I don't know if you guys could tell. Pro cluster trucker. Clearly. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. I'm a master at this game. I've only played this game like maybe 3 times now. Fucky. How do? Do how you do? Do how do, Mr. Krabs? I don't know how to do any of this. Guys, I'm not good at this game. I've only watched a couple people play it, and that was only like for a few levels. Some in the beginning and some towards the end, so these levels are like completely fucking new to me. I'm pretty sure... I don't even know. This is hard. Why am I so bad at this game? My timing is fucking on no point. Oh, fuck it. Ha! I could have stayed on the back of the truck. I'm just gonna stay here for a second. Let us go. Everything's goo. Everything's goo, and then things get bad right around here. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Fuck! We were that close. Right, we have the right idea. Now we just gotta put it to fucking paper. Or wait. Terrible fucking trucks. Who's right? Sir! You're fucking insane. Oh fuck, I jumped too early. Don't ask. I'm not gonna ask. Oh fuck. Oh, sweet Western-ips. Oh yeah. So too soon. Just stay down here. Sir, stay on fucking track. Thank you. That was my fault. Alright. We fucking got this. Not even a single problem here. I know you think there's a problem. But in reality, we're fine. It's totally fine. Fuck! I couldn't move fast enough. Whoop. 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 Oh! I thought I was going through it. Oh yeah, slowing time. Why haven't I been using that? Shit. Oh. Oh. Beat that world. Oh. I didn't think we were gonna beat it. Alright. Is this a joke? Is this a damn joke? Lasers? Why is my hair so fucky today? I guess we're going with lasers. What the f? Oh. Oh. Of course. Because this game was too easy to begin with, right? Alright. Alright. That was badass. Fucking hell. That's what we want. Oh yeah. Oh fucking. Oh fucking yeah. This actually is pretty fucking badass. Oh! Oh yeah. That's right. This is actually, what is that? These are numbers. Oh, don't tell me those, like, they're fucking, are those gates of lasers? So I have to speed run this shit then, huh? And by speed run, I mean die. Clearly. Oh! Oh, yeah. That was badass. I didn't even take me that many tries. Oh, fuck. Those are on. I'm guessing that's what the other ones turn into. So we gotta keep a serpentining between the goddamn trucks, eh? Not even a problem. Right. We gotta conserve the second jump until we absolutely die. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Foggy. Fuck. Alright. Why am I holding and run all the time? I just realized I was running that entire one. I actually may have been on the right idea there. Oh yeah, we want to grab the back of the truck. Oh, it was so cool. For about a second. That's how long I'm cool in this game. For like about a second, like I pull off some sick flips, some sick tricks, and then that's it. You know, like. Fuck! How are you supposed to get to the other trucks without fucking double jump? Cause so far, okay, like that, I guess. This level's hard. Apparently I used both my jumps right there. Oh, fucking hell. Shoot, phone. Phone. Okay. Alright, we're fucking got this. I don't even know what I was thinking there. Like, I wasn't. Let's be honest. Am I ever thinking? No. What do you guys expect me to actually fucking be a badass for about 5 seconds? Cause that was we just got. That was actually a pretty fucking good one. Oh, my legs! What? That was weird. Lucky. Oh, fail. I try to be cool. Use some less slow-mo, you know. Adjust it to where I need it the most. And I fuck up. Fuck, I didn't hit my double jump at the correct time. I should have. No. That's what happens when you look at your monitor to see where your cam is at. You go face first into lasers. Don't quote me on that. This should not be taking this many tries. I just realized how many fucking tries this is actually taking. Alright, let's actually calmly... Alright, we're done running. Been running that entire time. We're gonna take it nice and calm. Stop trying to look cool for camera. Just making a jackass of myself. Okay, that's even worse. That just shows how bad I really fucking am at this game. There was not even any lasers to avoid. I literally had to do the thing you do in the first level. Land on another truck. That literally is step 1 of the game. Can you land on another truck? No. Good. You're gonna be good at this game. Alright. Fucking hell! Alright. Okay. Okay. We're fucking bad. Alright. Ooh. Alright. Not even a problem. No problems. There's a problem. There's definitely a problem now. Whoop. Whoop. I'm sorry. Alright. Alright. Okay. We're done. We're done. We're done. It took far too long to beat that level. But we did it. Is this another speed? Speed is key here. I didn't mean to quote Jacksepticeye there. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. But it's true. That was fucking easy. Is that a Dreamcatcher? That's what it fucking looks like. The shark was a little slippery. A wee bit laser. A fucking little bit. Alright. Gonna take a little bit slow. Oh. We're doing good. What is this fresh hell? This reminds me of the one with like the logs, but with lasers. Why am I getting the laser levels all of a sudden? Like, this is so much easier than the fucking ice levels. The ice levels were pure fucking hell in me. For whatever reason, I can't do ice levels. Like, in any game, too. Mario, forget about it. Legend of Zelda, forget about it. Ice levels are me enemy. This level seems a bit more than the last. Okay, can I just not do anything, please? Can I just survive like this? No. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Fucking hell. Ain't no problem. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. Okay, okay. There was no truck there. Haha, no truck. No. Fucking... Ah, I see which one killed me. Yeah. Yeah, the ground. No, I mean the one that I was sitting in the front of the truck. They have that one right there to stop you from doing that. Okay. Okay. Fucking hell! Didn't see that one. I'm sorry. There was nothing I could do. It was over before I even knew it. Seems alright. Fucking. I had this level. The level was finished. Yes. My death. Yes, saw my death. Fucking hell. If I have a brain aneurysm, we know what game did it. This game plus fucking Lich Spear are gonna give me an aneurysm. Whew. I don't know how. Well, we could probably complete this level. Well, this world. Fuck am I thinking? Can't complete levels. Okay. 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 Challenge? Where was it at? Pfft. A spit on your laser levels. What is this? I'm not exactly sure. I get it. I'm going too fast. That is the problem. But they all were going perfectly. Fuck ye. Okay, I didn't mean to double jump there. Every time. Okay. Where's the pattern? I don't fucking know. This is weird. You have to time this thing. Oh fuck! You have to jump over that one? You're making my fucking head hurt, game. Just want you to know. What? The fuck? I thought I knew it was what, and then I was like, yeah, I know how do, but then I was like, wait, do what? Not that one. That one. And probably fucking that one, and there's even one after it that's hiding. I fucking saw that shit. You can just hide lasers in a laser map. And I wasn't gonna question your shite. Fucking asshole. Oh, what fresh hell is this? Is this like the fucking garbage disposal level? Like, just fucking hell. Just grinds the shit up. Like, I don't even know. Oh, fuck you. Alright, we're good. No problem. I know how to. Do I? I think we're okay. We should probably. Ooh. Oh. What? Yeah. Who beat the laser levels that fast? Me. That's who. We're gonna leave the video over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're fucking. fucking, we're 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 fucking.